Yes.
Oh, Daddy.
Danny boy.
Danny boy.
The pipes are fucking.
They're fucking.
Yeah, they're fucking.
Goddamn. Good for them.
You shouldn't really have to fuck with the audio this time around.
No, I'm just fucking about. I'm just touching myself while you touch yourself. Dude, let's go see Weezer.
Ah. Where's that?
I want them to sing Buddy Holly to me. If you fucked a Kardashian, I don't listen to your music. Not sorry. Okay? It's very specific.
Yeah.
Whatever.
I mean,
like, what?
There's a lot of other reasons to hate Kanye.
Right?
I mean, he makes it pretty fucking... Hey, 54 followers. That's... You got 6
Whoa,
retweets.
hey, what the fuck? We bumped way the fuck up from what we were.
Oh, yeah.
We dropped down to like 48.
Yeah. You're welcome.
You sure it's from you, not me, bitch?
Well, some of them came over from me.
Well, I'm sure they did, you dirty hoe.
Because some of them liked my post.
Yeah, I saw that one person. Alright.
Oh, shit, dude. Oh, no. You gotta run, man.
Oh, no.
You gotta run. Ah!
Oh,
zombies.
shit.
Penises.
Are they zombies, or are they just crazy
They're just
people?
crazy people, to be honest with you. But it's still kind of creepy.
Crazy people, dude.
What
What would it be like to be crazy for a day?
For a day?
You ever think about that shit?
Like, you just come back to clarity at the end of it?
Yeah, like you lose your shit, right?
Uh-huh.
But like...
Do you have any remembrance of what you did when you were crazy?
Yeah, like you remember the whole experience, but then
Oh.
you become sane, and you just now have that experience of being like a schizophrenic for like a day.
I think it would be like, that might in itself make you crazy again.
I actually found out that, unfortunately, since I was recently given affiliate status for Twitch, even though I get no money and still no viewers, like that screwed up my account for my PS4, so I can't stream through Twitch anymore.
Like how does that work?
Because it gives you a new, like, account type. So, like, I had a general basic... Oh, that's actually one other thing I wanted to talk about. Was...
Click, click, click.
Yeah.
What you looking at there, big boy?
PS Vita stuff.
PS Vita.
Yeah, because they've, like, discontinued production of the console this year and of the cartridges, so...
Yeah. Check. Check it. Check. Check yourself before you wreck yourself.
We got some Baja Blast.
What the fuck?
You want one?
Yeah, I would fucking want one.
Oh, hold on, give me a second. I'll get one.
You gonna hold out on me like that? You got Baja Blast in a can, you ain't gonna fucking say anything.
We're gonna get Baja Blasted.
Fuck, hell yeah. Fuck yeah.
If I had tequila, you just put a little of that.
Hell yeah.
I think there's a whole case in the fridge downstairs, too, if you want some more.
Yeah, oh god, it's so good.
Yeah, I do.
Oh, fuck yeah.
Call me Big Papa, please.
I like it when you call me Big Pop.
Oh.
I would listen to a lot of, like, 90s fucking hip-hop lately. Oh, what just happened? Oh, wrong button.
We're gonna kill some shit, aren't we?
Still the wrong button, shit.
Kill some zombies.
Is it coming out of the TV?
Yes. That could be a
That's
problem.
odd. I don't...
Hold on.
Yeah, mute that shit, dude.
God, am I like retarded? Where the fuck is mute button? Oh. I know.
Turn on speakers, you dumb cunt.
Just fucking stop.
Fucking dumb bitch.
Let me turn the speakers.
You goddamn motherfucker.
There, they're off. They're gone.
Alright, that's better. That sounds better. What the fuck?
Oh, the Stranger Things video started playing.
I was like, whoa, that's weird. Okay, I think that's good enough.
You think that's a sufficient test?
Well, yeah, we were dicking around the whole time.
This is a test of the emergency.